Hello students, Standard 8, Chapter number 13, Direct and Inverse Proportion. We started exercise 13.1. Now we came on question number 8. It said that Rasmi has a road map with a scale of 1 centimeter representing 18 kilometer. Means on the map, if she move 1 centimeter, it is related to the 18 kilometer. Now she drives on a road for 72 kilometer. Then what would be her distance covered on map? So we will start like let the distance covered on the map be x centimeter. Now distance covered in real and distance covered on map. There are two quantities. We saw that distance covered really is 18 kilometer. It shows 1 centimeter on the map. And if the distance is 72 kilometer, then we have to find how much centimeter will be the real. Now this is a case of direct proportion, because we already understand that on the map the scale is taken. It means that the distance and the covered distance on the map will be in the direct proportion. So what we will take, 18 upon 1 is equal to 72 upon x. x1 upon y1 is equal to x2 upon y2. Cross multiplication, 18x is equal to 72. So x is equal to 18 4s are 72. So x is equal to 4 centimeter. So the distance covered on the map will be 4 centimeter. Because we can do it verbally also. 18 kilometer 1 centimeter. Other 18 kilometer then 2 centimeter, 36. Then 54 and 72. 18, 18, 18, 18. So 4 centimeter will be the answer. Next question. A 5 meter 60 centimeter high vertical pole casts a shadow 3 meter 20 centimeter long. 3 meter 20 centimeter long. Find at the same time first the length of the shadow cast by another pole 10 meter 50 centimeter high. 10 meter 50 centimeter high. And second the height of a pole the height of a pole which casts a shadow 5 meter long. Which casts a shadow 5 meter long. So now, as the height of pole is more, it casts a longer shadow. So it is a case of direct proportion. So now we will make a table. Height of pole and length of shadow. First we saw that when the height of pole is 5 meter 60 centimeter, means 5.60 meter, then what is the length of the shadow? It casts a shadow 3.20 meter. Then we have to find the first one, the length of the shadow cast by another pole, 10.50 centimeter. Then we have to find here x. Similarly, in the second we have to find the height of the pole, means here we can say y, and the height of the pole which casts a shadow 5 meter long. So here it is 5 meter. So now first we will take that one upon that one. So 5.60 upon 3.20 is equal to 10.50 upon x. 10.50 upon x. So by cross multiplication, 5.60 into x is equal to 3.20 into 10.50. So now 560 upon 100 into x, 320 upon 100, 1050 upon 100. So whatever zeros you can cancel. So now x is equal to 32 multiplied by 105 upon 10 multiplied by 10 upon 56, which is going that side. So 10 cancel. Now cancellations. 28 2s are 56, 16 2s are 4 4s are 7 4s are, and 15 7s are. So 15 4s are 60. So we get one answer as 60 meter. Similarly, we have to take another, that 10.50 upon 60 is equal to y upon 5. So by cross multiplication, 60y is equal to 10.50 multiplied by 5. So y is equal to 1050 upon 100 into 5 upon 60. So now zeros cancel. Two 3s are 6. 35. So y is equal to 175 divided by 2. 2 8s are 16. 2 7s are 14. So 87.50 meter. So the height will be like that of 87 0.50 meter. Now the 10th question. A loaded truck travels 14 kilometers in 25 minutes. If the speed remains same, how far can it travel in 5 hours? In 5 hours. So what is given here, that a loaded truck travels 14 kilometers in 25 minutes. And if the speed remains the same, how far can the truck travel in 5 hours? Now here you can see that the speed is remaining same. It means that the distance traveled and a minute means time taken. If we cover more distance, it will take more time. If you cover less distance, it will take less time. It means that they will have a relation of direct proportion. So let the truck can travel X kilometers in 5 hours. So distance traveled and time taken. So when distance is 14 kilometers, it takes 25 minutes. So now in 5 hours, 5 hours, here it was minutes. So now we have to be very careful, because we can't compare, one is in minutes, one is in hour. So we will convert them. So 5 hours is equal to 5 multiplied by 60, that is 300 minutes. So here in place of 5 hours, we have to take 300 minutes. So now the time taken will be more if more distance is travelled under the same speed. Therefore, it is the case of direct proportion. Because the speed is same. The speed is same, so we cannot say that there can be less or more time according to that. So if you travel more, it will take more time. So now we show that 14 upon 25 is equal to, here we took x. So x upon, here don't write down 5 hours but 300, because we convert that hours into minutes. So here we saw that we take 300 because here 25 minutes and here there are 5 hours. So their units must be same, so we convert that 5 hours into minute by multiplying 60. Now do the cross multiplication. So 25 multiplied by x is equal to 14 multiplied by 300. So now therefore x is equal to 14 multiplied by 300 divided by 25. Now 5 5s are 25, 152s are 300 and 5 3s are 15. Therefore x is equal to 14 3s are 42 and 0 420. Therefore it can travel 420 kilometers in 5 hours. So as we saw that when they have a relation of direct proportion, then we have to take like their ratio is constant. In our in daily life situation also, we can get so many situations in which there is a direct proportion. Then by using this method we can solve that problems. Now in the next session we will see about the inverse proportion, that how and when we have to use inverse proportion, what is difference between them, and especially how to decide whether the given situation is of direct or of inverse proportion. So here we are going to finish the session, followed by PDF, and any confusion write down in the comment section. Thank you very much.